Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A24. If you forgot the screen code, password or pattern, the only way to delete it is to reset to factory settings. To reset the phone, we need to put it in recovery mode. The phone must be connected to a PC or laptop using a data cable. Restart your phone by pressing the power and volume down buttons at the same time. When the phone restart, press power button and volume up. When Samsung logo appear on the screen, you can let go power button. In recovery mode, press the volume keys to navigate in the menu and the power key to validate. Go to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button. Now select Factory Data Reset and press power button. Press Reboot System now to restart the phone and complete the deletion process. All data is deleted, including code, passwords and pattern, but hard reset don't delete Google account. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot. Thanks again and have a nice day.